Today, we're discussing the power of email marketing for e-commerce. Whether you're starting out or looking to boost your sales, this strategy is a game changer. Email marketing isn't just about sending messages. It's about forging strong connections with your customers and driving sales directly to your online store. First up, building your email list. It's crucial to make it easy for customers to subscribe, placing sign-up forms strategically on your website, offering incentives like discounts or free shipping, and using compelling lead magnets such as exclusive guides are effective ways to grow your list. Now, let's explore the types of campaigns that can turn subscribers into loyal customers. Starting with the Welcome series, the first impression counts. Welcome emails set the tone and can include special discounts to encourage that first purchase. Then there are promotional emails which highlight your sales and new products, grabbing attention with clear benefits and strong calls to action. Crafting compelling content is key to engaging your audience. Your subject line should be clear and enticing, like "Get 20% off today only." Personalization is also crucial. Addressing your customers by name and recommending products based on their preferences can make all the difference. And don't forget mobile optimization. Your emails must look great and be easy to navigate on any device. Automation takes your email strategy to the next level by sending targeted messages at the right time. Trigger-based emails like welcome sequences and abandoned cart reminders keep your customers engaged. Drip campaigns nurture leads over time with a series of automated emails, guiding them through the buying journey. And A/B testing ensures you're always refining your approach based on what resonates best with your audience. Lastly, tracking your email performance is crucial for continuous improvement. Monitor metrics like open rates and conversion rates to understand what's working and what needs adjustment. It's also vital to comply with regulations like GDPR and CAN-SPAM Act to build trust with your subscribers and maintain a clean email list. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike Digital Marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!